Alright, welcome to day 14 of our challenge, our coding challenge. So this is day 14. So here now we're finding the greatest common divisor or highest common factor, HCF, of two natural number. So you know what that is? So try and solve it, and let's see before you come back and check the solution. And now, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel again, it's day 14. We are almost halfway there, with 3 already. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, code read through, and like this video so the algorithm can push up this video to help more people to see these videos. Alright, so if you want to do this now, first thing we need to collect the input of these two numbers. So I'm going to use these two numbers as m and n. So m is equals to int. Alright, input. I'm going to say enter the first. I'm going to say enter m. I'm going to enter a value for m. Then after that, I'll go ahead and say n now is equals to int input, then enter a value for n. Alright, now that we have these two numbers, alright, so there's this algorithm we are going to use, and I don't think I know the pronunciation, but it is called, I think I'll just write it down, Euclidean algorithm. So what we just want to do is that we want to make sure that yn is not equals to 0. Yn is not equals to 0. We want to constantly keep repeating, changing m and n. So when we are changing m to n, and we are changing m itself to the remainder when we divide m by n itself. So just like that, we want to keep doing this until n is equals to 0. So when we keep doing this, our final, when n is equals to 0, now our formatted string, our greatest common divisor, or highest common factor, is going to be the value of m itself. So let's maximize this window and let's run this now. So if I should try this for 12 and 6, so 6 is the highest common factor right there. But what if I try this for 56 and 4? Yeah, 4 is the highest common factor, right? What if I try this for 144 and, alright, let's say 144 and, let me say 144 and 132. Yeah, 12 is the highest common factor, right? So you can see what we use there and how we're able to solve that. So do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code Drew, for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you in the next video.